In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Alibaba account. We'll walk through the entire sign-up flow from the first search to email verification, so by the end, you'll have a working account ready to use. All you need is a reliable web browser, a valid email address, and a phone number you can access. Start by opening your browser and searching for Alibaba. In the results, click the official listing that leads to Alibaba.com. This takes you to the login area. Instead of signing in, look for the option to create an account and select it. If you see a sign-in tab by default, simply switch to the Create Account tab. Next, you'll be asked to choose your trade role, pick buyer if you plan to source products, seller if you intend to list and sell, or both if you expect to do each. Choose the option that aligns with your goals. It helps Alibaba tailor recommendations and tools for you. Enter your email address. Make sure it's one you check regularly, since verification and important account notices will be sent there. Create a strong password, then re-enter it to confirm. A good password is unique to this account and combines upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid reusing passwords you've used elsewhere. You'll now provide a few profile details. Enter your company name. If you're a small operation or just getting started, use the name you operate under and ensure it matches any business documentation you might use later. Add your full name as you'd like suppliers and buyers to see it. Then enter your phone number with the correct country code and formatting so you can receive any security text without issues. Before proceeding, check the box to agree to the terms and privacy policy. It's worth pausing for a quick review so you understand how your data will be used and what's expected on the platform. Click the Create Account button. You'll be prompted to verify your email address. Head to your inbox and look for the verification message from Alibaba. If it's not there, give it a minute, then check your spam or junk folder. When you find the email, copy the verification code provided, return to the Alibaba page, paste or type the code in the verification field, and click Submit. That's it. Your Alibaba account is now created and verified. From here, you're ready to explore products, connect with suppliers, or set up your seller presence. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new account.